Welcome to our external render spray finish application guide. Today, we will walk you through achieving a flawless finish on your walls with a simple hopper and compressor setup. Let's take a look. Once the base coat is fully cured, you can apply the ProRend Colortex primer. This can be applied to the base coat with a roller, brush, or it can be sprayed. Ensure that the base coat is fully covered with the primer and there's no light patches grinning through. The primer will have to be touch dry before the application of the Colortex uniform render. Firstly, let's familiarise ourselves with the equipment. Here we have the gravity-fed hopper. It holds the render mix. This trigger regulates the airflow. The inline hose delivers the compressed air from the compressor into the mix, pushing the render through the end of the nozzle and onto the surface of the wall. Adding water to the mix is essential. It improves the consistency and workability of the render, loosening the silicate binding agent and resulting in a finer, more uniform finish. Add approximately 200 milliliters of water into the bucket and mix until there is no sign of residual surface water. A 4 to 6 ml nozzle is required for thin coat render spray application with the PSI set at around 100 bar. Lowering the PSI and changing the nozzle width will result in a heavier texture. Understanding each component and setting is crucial for a smooth application process. Keep an even pressure on the trigger. Watch out for any splatters or uneven coverages resulting in sparse patches. The aggregate should close up and look uniform and consistent in texture. The key to a perfect finish lies in the application technique. Ensure to keep the hopper gun approximately 500 mm away from the wall at all times and move in an even circular motion. And there you have it, a beautifully rendered wall. The finish should be smooth, uniform and free from any imperfections. You are saved on time due to the speed of application, the stress has been taken away as scarring is impossible with this method, and you have vastly improved the material coverage, reducing the material costs. Thank you for joining us in this external render spray finish application guide. Armed with the right knowledge and techniques, you are now ready to transform your walls.